Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super exciting video on the 10 best budget EDC essentials under $20. Whether you're a minimalist or just looking to add some affordable gear to your everyday carry, I've got you covered. These products are all functional, high quality, and most importantly, wallet friendly. Let's get into it. First up, we've got the Catcher Shuffle 2 folding pocket knife. At under $20, this knife punches way above its weight. With its 8CR13 mauve stainless steel tanto blade, it's sharp enough to handle anything from cutting rope to opening packages. Plus, it's got a flathead screwdriver and bottle opener built right into the design, so this little guy does a lot more than just cut. Whether you're out camping, fishing, or just need a handy tool at home, this is one versatile knife. And the best part? The reversible pocket clip means it's perfect for lefties and righties, and it deploys fast with the dual thumb studs, no fancy mechanics needed. You just flick and go. It even has a liner lock to keep that blade securely in place. For just $20, it's a solid choice. Next, we have this stylish DoohicKey Poo Leather Valet Tray Organizer. If you're tired of misplacing your keys, wallet, or watch, this organizer is a game changer. It's the perfect gift for anyone who likes to keep things neat and tidy, whether it's for Father's Day, a birthday, or just because. Made with high-quality poo leather, it looks sleek and helps you organize your everyday carry essentials. No more hunting for your keys in the morning. It's a simple yet thoughtful addition to any nightstand, entryway, or bathroom counter, and at this price, it's a total steal. Alright, if you're someone who's tired of struggling with traditional key rings, the Bang Titanium quick-release key rings are going to blow your mind. This innovative design uses a side-pushing system, so you can open and close the key ring with ease, no more broken nails or fumbling with tools. Made of titanium alloy GR5, they're lightweight, super durable, and corrosion resistant. These key rings are not just practical, they're fun too. You can quickly organize your keys or EDC tools with a push of the button. Plus, the sleek design and the cool gear look make them a great conversation starter. It's the perfect little upgrade for your keychain. Speaking of titanium, check out this small titanium keyring with screw shackle. It's tiny, but oh so tough. Crafted from GR5 titanium alloy, this thing is built to last. It's great for securing your keys, especially if you need something compact and lightweight. The screw shackle makes it incredibly easy to install your keys, no fiddling, just a quick screw on. It's perfect for your car keys, bike keys, or even as a minimalist way to carry your house keys. And the best part? It won't scratch or damage your precious keys or your hands. Next up, if you love the versatility of carabiners, you'll appreciate the Nite Spiner SlideLock. This one is made from stainless steel, so you know it's tough. But what makes it stand out is the dual locking system. You can lock both sides independently, making it secure for your keys, gear, or anything you need to clip on. With a weight capacity of up to 75 pounds depending on the size, this is a serious carabiner that does more than just clip things together. Use it for anything from hanging your water bottle to securing tools to your pack. It's simple but effective, and the locking mechanism gives you that extra peace of mind. If you want a super strong tool that fits on your keychain, check out the mighty bar pry bar. Made from solid stainless steel, this little guy can handle all sorts of tasks. Whether you're scraping labels, prying open a box, or even turning a screw, this tool is ready for action. It's designed to fit on your keyring, so you can take it everywhere you go without adding bulk. In a pinch, you'll be glad you have it. It's the one tool you actually carry around because it's lightweight and incredibly useful. Speaking of multifunctional tools, the DoohicKey Keychain Multi-Tool is a must-have. It packs 8 tools into one sleek design. We're talking about a bottle opener, nail puller, wrench, ruler, serrated edge, scoring point, and both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. All that in something small enough to hang on your keychain. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the DoohicKey is built to last and perfect for those quick, everyday tasks. Whether you're fixing a loose screw or opening a bottle, this little tool has your back. If you've ever found yourself in the dark, you'll appreciate the Lumens EDC flashlight with magnetic tailcap. This thing is super lightweight, but don't let that fool you. 693 lumens of brightness is plenty to light up your path or work area. Plus, it's rechargeable via micro USB, so you'll never have to worry about changing batteries. The magnetic tailcap makes it perfect for hands-free use, sticking to any metal surface so you can focus on the job. It's the perfect companion for mechanics, campers, or anyone who might need a reliable light in a pinch. Next up, the Lenski magnetic pickup tool. This is a tool you didn't know you needed but will use every day. It features an extendable neck that stretches from 6.6 to 22 inches, making it perfect for grabbing small metal items that have slipped into hard-to-reach spots. It also has a super bright LED light and a magnetic base, so you can illuminate and retrieve objects all with one hand. This is a fantastic tool for anyone who works with small parts or just needs to pick up something that fell under the couch. And last but not least, for the bearded men out there, we've got the Trimming Catcher Bib. Shaving your beard can be messy, but with this bib, you'll never have to worry about stray hair getting everywhere. Simply loop the bib around your neck, attach the suction cups to the mirror, and shave away no mess, no hassle. It's made from high-quality nylon, and the adjustable neck strap makes it a one-size-fits-all solution. Plus, it's a great gift for Father's Day, birthdays, or even a stocking stuffer. So there you have it, 10 amazing budget-friendly EDC essentials, all under $20. Whether you need a practical tool for work or just want to upgrade your everyday carry, these products are sure to get the jobs done without breaking the bank. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome reviews. Until next time, stay sharp and keep your gear ready to go.